In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and replace words in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you have some specific words that you wish to replace all at once, it's very much simple. You can do this in Microsoft Word. For instance, I have this passage and it has this word economy. You can see the economy appears here. We also have economy here. And finally, we have the word economy here. So I'll wish to replace this word economy in the entire document without having to edit each and every word in these paragraphs. To do this at once, just head over to your home tab, and then from home tab, you should see we have this option replace. Now we want to go ahead and find the word that we wish to replace. And for my case, I want to replace economy and I want to replace it with markets. So this is the word that we want to replace, and once you have done that, go ahead and choose to replace all. So I'll click on all, and now look at that, it's done. Now go ahead and close this. And now if we go to our document, now we realize that the word economy that was appearing several times has been replaced with markets, and you can see the first one is here, the second one is here, and lastly we have the last one here. So that's how you can find and replace words in Microsoft Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.